Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario Brown, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you everything that you're going to get with the Agency Blitz marketing kit. Now, Agency Blitz is a full-blown done-for-you marketing solution so that you can market your business and your brand in a very professional way. We did this for 4 different services that you might want to offer, and for each service, you get different resources. So let me show you what I mean. For example, right now, here I'm logged into the members area, and if you scroll down here, you can see that we have for you waiting a proposal, email sequences, telemarketing scripts, commercial graphics that you can use with brochures, business cards and things like that, professional web banners, Facebook ads, done for you, and even a legal contract or agreement, okay? Now, we created this for 4 different services that you can offer. So you can see here, we have all of this for video marketing, which is one of the hottest niches right now and hottest services that you can offer. We also have that for mobile apps, also a very hot topic right now. We also have the same, everything that you see here for messenger bot marketing, if you want to offer that service, and as well here for social media marketing, okay? Now, if you go all the way up here, you can download your actual website. So this right here is the download link to get all the websites for each of the 4 marketing kits. Now, if I click here, you can actually see a website in action. This right here is the video marketing example. And as you can see, it's a very professional, slick, clean, nice looking website that you get access to. Obviously, you can edit this website, you can add your own call to action, and that way you can promote your own video marketing services or mobile apps or whichever service you choose. Now, we hired a professional graphics design team. We added our marketing expertise, and that's how we came up with Agency Blitz. Now, as you can see here, again, this is a beautiful looking website that you can fully customize right now. Then if you scroll down here, you get all these cool resources, and I want to just show them for you really quick, okay? The proposal, I want to show you a couple of them. So for example, if I go here to my resources, let me just show you, for example, the, let's say, business card right here. So this is a business card example. You can obviously customize it. You get the PST, you get the JPEG file, and you can fully customize it. We just want to make sure that you have a professional looking template ready to go. That was just one example, right? If I open up here the proposal, we have a done for you full-blown professional looking proposal that you can use in your presentation. So if you're an agency, if you want to start an agency from scratch, if you do local marketing, if you just want to make money helping influencers or local businesses with your marketing services, it's going to be way more powerful if you have a proposal like this ready that you can use and present on your iPad, on your computer, however you want to present it, right? As you can see, it's super professional and really nice looking. That's ready for you to download and waiting for you. Let's see what else we have here. Another example here is a professional invoice that we have for you. So this is also a template that you can fully customize. You can put your logo up here and you can see it's nicely organized. It's a professional invoice so that you can actually charge for your services and have a professional and good looking way for your brand to actually represent yourself when you ask for money. Gonna see what else we have here waiting for you. This right here is a professional legal agreement. So as you can see, all the services are listed. You can obviously customize it, but how cool is it to have a rock solid contract and agreement ready that you can use with clients, right? Out of the box. If you go to an attorney, you would have to pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get that done, for example. Here we have also email templates for you. These are pre-written emails that you can use for your follow-up or to attract more prospects to your business. They're all pre-written for you and you can just download them. We also have a telemarketing script ready for you as well that you can just download, okay? Just showing you a couple of examples here. And this right here is another banner that you can use. So we have banners, we have Facebook ads, we have graphics that you can customize and that you can use out of the box. So as you can see, everything is highly professional and it's very well branded. So if you want to take your brand and authority to the next level, this is a great package for you. And remember, this is important. You're getting all of this for 4 different industries or 4 different services. Again, video marketing right here, mobile apps right here, messenger bot marketing right here, and social media marketing. You get each template for emails and telemarketing and commercial graphics and banners and website for each of the 4 services. And all you have to do is just log into your Agency Blitz members area right here and download them to your computer and you are good to go. So again, if you want to start an agency from scratch, maybe you already have an agency but you want to take your brand to the next level or be able to charge more or to position yourself as the authority in your niche, this package is for you. Maybe you're a local marketer, or maybe you're just an online marketer and you want to make money helping influencers or local businesses in your neighborhood with marketing services. And what better way is there to have professional graphics and design packages ready to go so that you can save money and time not having to create these from scratch, okay? So as soon as you sign up for Agency Blitz right now, just go ahead, log into your members area, go here to downloads, then you click here on Agency Kit, and boom, you're gonna be able to download them straight to your computer and you're gonna be good to go, okay? I hope that was helpful. I can't wait to see you inside the Agency Blitz members area. Talk soon.